Hey there, welcome back to your channel Fly High Crypto. I've already shared a video on Dogecoin predictions according to market investors and other experts. And today I'm sharing another video on Dogecoin, showing you the live graph and also telling you the market history and what could it reach by the 2021 end. So let's get started. I'll just tilt my mobile so it shows the better graph in full screen. And we have to wait till it gets load. Okay, finally. You can see the graph here. The green one says like it's growing and the red one says like it's going down. So we'll see the green one. Today's rate is 499. It's like 0.04 cents. That is 4 cents, we could say. Yes. And there was an all-time high in February first week that was 8 cents. Okay, and today it's 4 cents. It's almost about to be 5 cents now, but it was all-time high of 8 cents in February first week. Yeah. If you could go back and see for 2018 or 2019. Okay, there's no graph mentioned here for the 2019 or 18. It's just from July 2020. Okay, so July 2020's closing price was only 0.003 cents. That low. Can you really imagine that low? And today it's really high, like really high with 5 cents. So this has grown really well because of the Elon Musk's tweet, and I expect Elon Musk to tweet more tweets on Twitter for this coin in future. And if he does, you can imagine this coin could go really high in no time. So according to me, this coin is actually a best investment because we cannot predict about this coin. This coin has a lot of fame, and it's because of Elon Musk's tweet we all know about. Seeing on the market history, it feels like nobody's really buying it much, like every second, not every second, but there's a gap of 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and so. And also we could see there are like more number of selling graphs here compared to the buying ones. So it says this coin is going down, but I'm very sure it could go high in no time, and we could not predict that. And I believe by 2021 end, this coin could go around 6 to 7 cents or maybe 8. Who knows? Yeah, so I believe it could go to 6 to 8 cents by the end of 2021, and if it does, it could be a good achievement for this coin, no doubt. And also, if you invest now for just 4 cents, I'm very sure one day this coin could go to at least 10 cents or maybe 30 cents. And you can imagine your profit. It will be triple or maybe into 4 or maybe into 5 or maybe into 10. And that's actually possible because this coin has gained a lot of fame, and I'm very confident about that. Looking on the market cap, it's going down because the market's actually really low. Looking onto other coins, we could see all the coins are going down, but still Doge has 92 millions of volume, and that's really great because Holo was around 200 million volume a few weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and today it's 12 it has came to that down, extremely down. But Doge is still 92 million, and that's actually great because it's not going that down as Holo. Holo has more fame and more scope in cryptocurrencies because everybody trusts in Holo. Personally, me, I trust in Holo a lot, but compared to Dogecoin, there's no comparison between. The both are totally different in their own projects and their ways, so I cannot compare them obviously. But as this video is about Dogecoin, we'll be discussing about only Doge. And according to me, Doge could be proven as a very good investment. It could be proven as a very good long-term investment, and could also be proven as a very good small-time investment, because we have no what we say as no, we cannot really predict it could go high anytime, because this coin is just at a different level because of Elon Musk tweet. So if he tweets again, this coin could go very high. So this can be proven as long term and also as a short term if something happens in future, in maybe in next weeks or next months. But yeah, conclusion would be like Dogecoin is actually a great investment according to me. This is my personal opinion. So I'm not really commenting anything else on this one. And if you feel the same, do comment down below. And if you don't feel the same, please do not comment down below, because I've seen people, when they don't agree to my opinion, they comment bullshit on in my comment box, and that really pisses me off. So if you agree to my suggestions or you agree to my words, do comment down, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like this one, if you don't feel the same as me, then please just unlike this video, but do not comment down, because I don't really want to have a bad day with your comments, because that really pisses me off when I'm passing something as an opinion and you people just write rubbish, and that's actually hateful. So stop commenting hateful on any other channels as well, not only on mine but on all the channels, because someone is really trying to do something great, and I don't say I'm really great, but I'm trying to do something that's good. And in fact, you should actually encourage me for that, but I don't really appreciate the efforts you put in your words to discourage me to have that hateful speech for me and write it down in my comment box, and I don't really like it. So please don't do that, because it's actually really disappointing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And also if you have any suggestions, I will be really happy to hear, and also I welcome such things. You can comment down, but anything hateful, please do not. I would really report anybody who does that. And finally, a goodbye. I mean, just a good plus a bye. Till the next video. Take care.